From a bedroom comfort perspective, here's what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your space needs a small comfort upgrade, this home office review keeps it practical. I am looking at how it fits in a real room, comfort, size, setup, everyday usefulness, and whether it makes sense for the current price. The first thing to check is how the design works in your actual space, not just how it looks in photos. Just press the top snooze/light button of the Analogue Alarm Clock to illuminate the entire turntable. For a bedroom product, that can affect how clean and comfortable the room feels. The snooze time is 5 minutes. If you want to turn off the alarm, you need to manually turn off the switch. That is useful if you care about a cozy setup without extra clutter. Our Analogue Alarm Clock has 5 levels of volume adjustment, 24 built-in beautiful music. It also matters for daily use, because small details are what you notice over time. The main positives are better setup, daily comfort, and space saver. I would still double-check the dimensions, color, and exact version before ordering, because bedroom products can look different depending on your space. My verdict: if you want a cozy home upgrade and the price makes sense, the office setup is a solid one to shortlist. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.